Hello folks. Well, just speaking to God about a few things, so I'm going to, a few sort of updatey sort of things. I did a video recently talking about the last court date I had and the fact there was a lady there before me who had gone in and she'd been found 3 times over the limit of alcohol. Well, anyway, she was allowed to drive for 2 years before that date, before the punishment was made, the decision. So the question is, why was my dogs taken away? Yeah, if the court basically said she can still drive for 2 years after, driving drunk, completely drunk, that was really dangerous and she could have killed someone by doing that. She was still allowed to drive for 2 years. But when the vets saw my dogs and checked them, there was no damage on them at all. Nothing at all. There was no harm, no suffering at all. But my dogs were taken away and then sold. So my question is, should my dogs have been taken away and kept by the SSPCA based upon the evidence they had? Because if someone is allowed to drive for 2 years after being 3 times over the legal limit for alcohol, that was far more of a danger to anyone else, why were my dogs taken away? Why didn't I lose my dogs and she didn't lose her licence? I'm not saying she should have lost her licence. What I'm saying is that I shouldn't have lost my dogs. According to that law, where she wouldn't lose her licence until she was actually judged by the judge or the sheriff, I should not have lost my dogs. But that's something which I think is going to have to be brought up in court. It may. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. But that was a conversation I just had with God anyway, talking about that. So I figured, well, that's a pretty important point. So I'll share that with the channel. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's say, I don't know. It seems to me a question that should have been asked by my solicitors, really. At the point in time when I first plead, that question should have been asked: why were my dogs taken away, and why weren't they, getting back to me? Yeah. I'm going to have to phone up the SSP on Monday to find out when the dogs were sold, because I think they were sold before I even plead. So if that's the case, that's really, really bad. Really, really bad. And that has to be put across to the sheriff in a way that's going to hopefully do something. Do exactly what I do not know, but I'm thinking for this one, I might as well just sack my bloody lawyer, my solicitors, because they are incredibly useless. I need to have a conversation with them. I need to see what they're going to be prepared to do. What they're going to be prepared to put forward. If they're not going to be prepared to put this point forward, then bye-bye. I can just represent myself. I don't need you in any way, shape or form. No. Well, as I say, I've had enough of mucking around with this thing. As soon as they said the 6-month good behaviour thing, that was enough for me. Yeah. It's simply going according to this world. Not interested in that at all. I don't care really what, because, put it this way, if the sheriff, we've been waiting for this particular sheriff because this particular sheriff said she has no interest in banning me. That's why they were waiting for this particular sheriff to deal with it, because she had already made that statement. So therefore, because she's already made that statement, it means she has no desire to do that. So therefore, work on that. You don't need to do anything more. She basically said, it's the first thing I've done like this. Well, I didn't do it anyway, but yeah, from her view, it's the first thing I've done like this. So she won't ban me. Okay, so why are you stretching it out now? What's the point in that? What if they wanted to fine me about £200? Okay. Yeah, you think 6 months more time is better than that? Really? I paid £200 to sort it out tomorrow. Of course, yeah. It's really annoying. We have to wait. Yeah, that's not me. I've waited long enough now. I'm prepared to wait for a certain amount of time, but come on. It's taking a mickey really now. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll find out, and we'll find out what God was saying about the fact I don't need to get another dog. Why was he saying that? That's what I want to find out. There you go. You take care. God bless. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.